Hi guys, in my last video we learned about how we can connect Spring Boot application with H2 database and how we can create tables in H2 database and what is the use of this data.sql file. So in this video I am going to discuss about how we can perform CRUD operation in H2 database by using Spring Boot JPA. So first let's create few packages. So first I am going to create controller package. And then service package. After service package we need repository also. So this is the repository package, and we need few more packages. For one is for entity and another is for request. And our last package is test.request. Refresh our project. Yes. So first I am going to create one class in entity package, that is called entity class. So our table name is employee table. So I am going to create a employee entity class. And annotate it with @entity. Okay, let's close this project. Yes. So guys, as you know, this is the entity class, and I am going to map this class with our this employee table. Okay. So I am going to create few variables in this entity class, and the name of the variable is matching with our table column name. Okay. So first column is ID, first name, last name, department and location. Okay, first name, last name and department and location. Department and our last column is location. So this is the ID, so annotate it at ID. Okay. Then create getters and setters here. Select all and generate. Yes. So our entity class is ready. Okay, and then create this repository. So for repository we need to create one interface. Our interface is employee repo. Okay, this is the interface, and this interface will extend another interface, that is JPA repository. Okay, and here for first parameter we need to provide our entity class name. Our entity is employee, so pass employee, and the type of ID is integer. Import this. Yes, so our repo is ready. And then I am going to create one service class. So guys, here I need to give one annotation also, add repository annotation. Okay, yes. So then create one service class in service package. This is service package, and the class is employee service. And annotate this class with add service. Okay, so inside this class I am going to create one service method, that is for saving the record in our employee table. Okay, we can see for the like create method or save method. So what is the return type of this method I need to put? I need to put the return type is this entity type, because JPA save method returns the entity. And this method will take request. Okay, so for request we need to create one request bean also. So this is our request package. So here I need to create one more class, that is employee request. Yes, and here I need all these variables. And give the getters and setters. Select all and generate. Save this. Our class name is employee request, and pass this request employee request here. Okay, and import this. Yes, so in this method we are going to save our employee record. Okay, so for saving or performing any DB operation we required this repository. Okay, this is employee repo. So first auto wire this here. By using auto wire annotation. So our this repository class contains few predefined methods. Okay, so I'm going to use those method here. So this is the save method and it takes a entity. Okay, but here in parameter we are getting the request only, not entity. So here we need to copy all these data inside our entity class. So first create a entity class object here and then copy all the data. Employee dot set id and employee dot set first name, employee dot set last name, employee dot set department, employee dot set location. Okay, and here now set the real value here, which we pass in request dot get id, request dot get first name, request dot get last name, request dot get department, request dot get location. Yes, so here our entity is prepared. Now pass this entity as a parameter inside this save method. Okay, and what this save method return? This return a entity. Okay, employee, and catch this employee here, or we can see emp. Okay, and we can return this employee here. Yes, so this is the service layer and we have created our save method. So next our target is create one controller method. So for this first we need to create one controller class. So new class employee controller. So it is a REST controller, so initiate with at REST controller. Okay, and public response entity, our return type is response entity. Okay, and here replace this T with employee, our entity class. Save employee. And this method will return a response entity object. We will return later. Okay guys, so and here so it is a controller method, so it is a post method. So at post mapping I'm going to use here. Okay, and inside this post mapping I'm going to use give one URL. That URL is save. Okay, and here in request here I need one one request body. Request body. Yes. And this employee request bean. Yes guys, now our error is gone. So yeah, so here I just need to call that service method which we have already created, and the service method is present in this service class. So create the object of this service class inside this controller class. So by using this object I'm going to call that save employee method. Okay, and pass this object here. And what is the return type of this save employee method? The return type is entity. So this is our entity class. So catch this here. And in response I'm going to return one response entity object. And inside that object I'm going to return this our employee entity, and which is created, and one HTTP status. HTTP status is okay. So guys, our save method is here completed, and just we need to test our method. So for this I need to run this application. Okay, so run a Java application. So our application is started at port number 8080. Okay, and so let's open this, and so I'm going to test it by using this postman. So localhost 8080, and remove this, and our URL is save. this is the URL, so which I need to pass, and our type is post here. So inside the body I need to give one JSON object here, and so our first JSON object is ID, so pass it here. ID is suppose 1, and our next JSON object is first name. So first name I need to pass, and next last name, and then department and location. Yes, so first name, for example, Rohit, and suppose last name Rohit Sharma, and suppose department is sales department, and location is New Delhi. Okay, yes, so our JSON object is prepared. So guys, just I need to click on this save button, and then we will see. Yes, as we can see, this our method return this JSON object which is created inside the table. So let's open our table. So as we can see in the table, no record was present. So just refresh it and test, connect, and this is the employee table. Select yes. So here our save method is working fine. So this is the demonstration how we can save our data inside the H2 table by using the Spring Boot JPA. So in this video let's stop this video here, and the rest of the things I will discuss in my next videos. Thank you for watching.